This is Sony A7III. I got this camera like a week ago and got some time to actually play with it. This is just a beast or a waste. We'll find out. So talking about the specs, overall the specs are really good. This is a 35mm full frame sensor rocking 693 face detection AF points. So when you try to focus, autofocus and focusing, it will be much faster and much clearer compared to the other previous models. This one has an ISO setting from 100 to up to 51,200. This one shoots at 10 fps, so you can just keep pressing the shutter and it will shoot 10 pictures at a second. Really, the main reason why I got this camera is because of the video quality, that we could shoot at 1080 in 120 fps and 4K up to 30 fps. Now moving on to battery. When it's shooting at 1080 120 fps, the battery does not seem to drain as much compared to the one when we are shooting in 4K 24 fps. It was draining faster than 120 fps. So that is somewhere a downside of this camera. But the plus point, even for the camera's battery, is that all I did was I plugged in the battery once and then I never had to take it out, because this one got a USB-C charging. You can just charge it while you're going, but a slight change is that, like, if your camera is on, it will not charge, so you have to keep your camera turned off. When I zoom it in using this lens, what happens is, when I try to focus an object that I want to zoom in and take a picture, when I rotate this rim, what happens is it will give me an extra precise look on that object, so I get much more detail and I get more in-depth view on which I want to focus. And you might also know this is a mirrorless camera, so this one has an electronic viewfinder, which means whatever I see on this LCD screen, I could be able to see in this viewfinder. So even the focus thing I was talking about, you could still have that feature in the viewfinder. That is a really great feature. These are the features that I just wanted you guys to look at. Overall, this camera is really great for what it gives for the price. Let me know if you have any question, and I'll be really happy to answer any questions. So let me know, and see you on the next one. Thank you.